Welcome to Carpooling Made Easy, made by Team Royals. We have created a carpooling application that can be used by campus students, organizations, can be used by schools to facilitate their carpooling needs. You'll see we're on our home page, and if you click on register, you can create a new account by filling in all this information and submit. However, for the purpose of this demo, I've already created some accounts, so you'll see log in under my account and I'll fill out my information, and it logs me in and it says welcome Huron, and you'll see several different tabs. So we'll click on my account. Under my account there is the option to delete your account if you no longer wish to be part of this web app. You can also update your account information like your email ID. Your email ID is used for notifications and stuff, so you can update that if you want it to go to a different address. You can also update your other fields. So let's go to ratings now. And when you are carpooling with other users, you can rate your experience with them. So currently it says that I've gotten a rating of 4.5 based on 2 ratings from other users. And I can enter the user ID of another person that I want to rate, and if I can find them. So let's enter the user ID of one of my teammates, and we'll click search. And then you'll see it says on a scale of 1 to 5, because it found my teammate, rate this user. So I'm going to give him a 5, and I'm going to rate him, and I'm going to click submit. So now his rating is submitted. So when we click on the trips page and we search for a trip, his trip will have a rating next to his username so that you know how good of a passenger or how good of a driver he may be. So now we're going to click on trip, and we're going to plan a new trip, and you'll see all these different fields: date of travel, time of travel. You can personalize it, your source and destination. You can create a round trip so that you can create a return trip. You can add a vehicle if you're the person driving it. You can also make the trip a favorite. So, for example, if you wanted to make the trip a favorite for every weekday because you went to work there, you can do that without having to add it every single day, and also without having to add it every single week. We'll do it for you, and we'll continue to update it so that when people search it, they'll find it. So for the purpose of this demo, again, I've already added a trip to this list. So we'll go to trip, and we'll click on my trips. And when you click on my trips, it'll take some time. There we go. It loads up a past trip that you had that may have been a favorite, and it also loads up trips that you have currently in your queue, trips for the future. So you'll see there are several trips listed here. So now I'm going to sign out, and I'm going to log in as one of my friends. So 9. And so once I've logged in, same screen should show up. So I'm going to go to trips. I'm going to click on search existing trips. And so now I'm going to click, let's say I want to search for the day of the final. So I'm going to click August 4, and I want to get out of here at, let's say, 1:25, okay? So then I'm looking to join a car because I don't have a car, or I guess my friend doesn't have a car, and they're looking to join a car, and they're going from ISR to, let's say, Chicago, Illinois, okay? And the search radius is in kilometers, so let's say they're willing to go anywhere that's within, say, 10 kilometers, or 20 kilometers, I apologize, within the distance of what they're searching for, and anywhere within 30 minutes of where they're searching for. So we'll click on search trip, and it'll find the trips that they found. Now what they can do is, you'll see the user rating is there, and they can click join, and when they click join, they'll send a notification to me, and I will receive the notification under mine. They can withdraw. I'll have the opportunity to accept their notification, and thus the users can communicate that way with each other for an efficient carpooling service.